The top 5 best LEGO sets in 2025 are fun and exciting for kids and adults. These sets have cool designs, bright colors, and many small pieces to build amazing things. You can make cars, castles, robots, and even famous movie scenes. People love them because they are fun to build and good for learning. In 2025, LEGO sets are more creative and detailed than ever before. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. LEGO Classic Medium Creative Brick Box. If you're like me and love using your imagination to build anything you want, then this LEGO Classic Brick Box is perfect for you. I was amazed at how many colorful bricks come in one box. There are windows, wheels, and even eyes. Whether I want to build a car, a house, or just something silly, this set gives me the freedom to create it all. It's not just fun, it also helps kids and adults think creatively and problem solve. I always recommend this set for anyone starting their LEGO journey or just wanting to build freely without limits. Number 4. LEGO Cherry Blossom Building Toy. As soon as I saw this Cherry Blossom LEGO set, I knew I had to build it. It's not your usual LEGO set, it's calm, beautiful, and makes a great display for your desk or room. When I finished building it, I felt proud of how real it looked. The pink and white petals, the shape of the branches, everything feels so delicate and peaceful. This set is perfect if you enjoy both building and decorating. I love that LEGO is making more creative and nature-themed sets like this. Number 3. LEGO Minecraft The Baby Pig House. If you're a Minecraft fan like me, you're going to love this one. This baby pig house set is shaped just like a giant pink pig, and yes, it opens up to show rooms inside. I had so much fun putting it together and seeing familiar characters like Alex and Creeper. It's more than just a build, it's a mini Minecraft world in LEGO form. I really enjoyed how it mixes creativity with storytelling, and it looks awesome on my shelf. Kids and collectors both will enjoy playing with or displaying this fun set. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon. I've always been a Star Wars fan, so building the Millennium Falcon in LEGO form was a dream come true. This version is super detailed, it looks just like the ship from the movies. It's not too huge, but it has all the cool features and shapes you expect. I loved the process of putting it together piece by piece and seeing the Falcon come to life. This is one of those sets that feels special whether you're a kid or a grown-up collector. It's definitely one of my top picks of 2025. Number 1. LEGO Botanicals Orchid Set. This LEGO Orchid set surprised me in the best way. It looks like a real plant, and I even had friends ask if it was a real flower when they saw it. I enjoyed every moment building this, it was relaxing and satisfying. The details on the petals and the pot are just beautiful. What I love most is that it doesn't just sit on the shelf, it brightens up my whole room. If you want a LEGO set that feels both fun and elegant, this is the one to get in 2025. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.